How to get dark mode on REDnote application on iPhone and Android. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your REDnote application on iPhone or Android into dark mode. So let's get started. I'm doing this on iPhone, but if you are having an Android, you can follow similar steps because the steps are the same. So first of all, open your REDnote application and you will be redirected to your home page. So what you got to do is click on your Me icon over here. That is your profile icon. So once you click on your profile icon or Me icon, you'll be redirected to your profile. So what you got to do is click on this gear icon over here. So just click on this gear icon and you'll be redirected to your settings. So what you got to do is click on general settings over here. And after that, you will be able to see your general settings. So you're going to click on dark mode. And here there are two options that says if you wish to enable dark mode. So you can just click on this toggle button. And here, this is the dark mode feature, and if you wish to use your device setting, for example, if you whole of your device is in dark mode and you want your REDnote to have your default settings, you can just toggle this button on. And now if your iPhone or your Android is in dark mode, then your REDnote would be in dark mode as well. And when you turn the dark mode off on your phone, then it will turn off on the REDnote application as well. So that was how you can get dark mode on REDnote application on iPhone or Android. So that's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.